Today I'm going to show you what Marketagent has to offer as a server side, so you can see for yourself it is worth your time or not. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we start, please don't forget to make a like and don't forget to make a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. I can show you around the platform and show you what it has to offer. I am now logged into Marketagent.com, and let me just start by saying that it is actually definitely a legit server side, in that sense that you can actually take survey and you can get paid, and you will also be paid out without any problem. So that part of it okay. That does however not mean that it is necessarily worth your time. That of course depends on your preferences, but let me show you what it has to offer and then you can decide for yourself. But in general, it has surveys that you can take here. There is a couple of surveys here that you can do, and then they pay, like kind of average, a little bit below average, I would say. In my experience, compared to other survey sites, it doesn't have very much, so it is not a service site with huge opportunities to earn. You do get a little joining bonus you can by keeping your profile up to date. Once a year, get a little extra bonus, and there is also this extra bonus what called survey crossover. There where you can like is available survey on other sites. I would say that there are similar sites like this that are just giving more opportunities. My experience, so not the best option to use here. And then if you do like to use Marketagent or want to try it, however, that it can be worth considering using the app, because they have a very user-friendly app and it just makes it easier to use tech survey. So in general, it does have some opportunities for surveys. I wouldn't recommend it and joining as the only survey site, only as an extra survey site. If you really want to join as many as possible and are quite patient, because one thing you need to know is about the way it pays out is that of course it depends if you can even join, depends what country you live in. You can see up here the country's languages it is available in, so it is available in a lot of languages, so you can get it in your local language, which of course is good. But you need to be aware that the whole thing about how you get paid, I will just quickly jump to my own. You earn points there, and how much points are the point worth is then a little bit difficult to figure out, and it also depends what payout method you want. You get paid through PayPal and Scroll. Great and easy way to get paid in cash when you are doing surveys. However, the thing is that you can see for 15 points you would get $185 through Scroll. For PayPal you would only get 62 cents. It means that if you like getting paid through PayPal, your points are like really not getting a lot for your points on Marketagent, and it makes it a very low paying survey. So if you want to get paid through PayPal, and there is also a fee if you want to cash out through PayPal unless you have earned a certain amount of points, so it has some opportunities. But if you like to get paid through PayPal, it is definitely not a very good option in my opinion. So now you know a little bit about what Marketagent actually offers, and also be aware that if you would like to get paid through Scroll, yeah, it does have some option. I wouldn't recommend it joining as the only survey. It doesn't have that many options, but as an extra survey side it can be great if you like PayPal to get paid through PayPal. It gives very low rewards. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.